Next, we're going to do a sing-along song. This song is called The Happy Wanderer. And for those of you who do not know this song, what's going to happen is I'm going to say Valkyrie. When you hear us say Valkyrie, you are going to say Valkyrie right back to us. Let's try it. Valkyrie.
Valkyrie.
All right, then we're going to say Valdera. And when you hear us say Valdera, you're going to say Valdera right back to us. Let's try it. Valdera.
Valdera.
All right, the third part of this song, we're going to say Valdera. Ha, ha, ha. We're going to try that on the count of 3. I do not count during the actual song. You're just going to have to feel it. A 1, 2, 3. And finally, we say, my knapsack on my back. My knapsack on my back. Let's try that on the count of 3. A 1, 2, 3.
My knapsack on my back.
You guys got it? I love to go wandering along the mountain track. As I go, I love to sing my knapsack on my back.
Let's hear ya.
Valkyrie, Valkyrie, Valdera, Valkyrie, Valkyrie, Valdera, Valkyrie, Valkyrie, Valdera, my knapsack on my back.
And she's off.
I love to wander by the stream that dances in the sun. Joyously it calls to me,
Come join my happy song.
Valkyrie, Valkyrie, Valdera, Valkyrie, Valkyrie, Valdera, Valkyrie, Valkyrie, Valdera, Valdera, my knapsack on my back. Hey! All right, let's have some yodeling, shall we?
Not
My
you.
girls.
There's going to be Mr. Mike Franklin doing the
Where are my
yodeling
girls?
tonight. Mr.
That's
Joey
right.
Dahlhausen going to bring us in.
Bam.
Valkyrie.
Probably get lifted as my rear passenger.
Rear passenger.
My knapsack on my back.
Very nice.
I'm over at the Skylark Wing. They never rest at home. Just like me, they love to sing as o'er the world we roam. Valkyrie, Valkyrie, Valdera, Valdera, Valkyrie, Valkyrie, Valdera, Valkyrie, Valkyrie, Valdera, Valdera, my knapsack on my back.
Nice job.
May I go wandering